This is exactly how to play Escape the Backrooms online. So the first thing you need to make sure is that you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. And now when you are, you get two options to be able to do this. So the first option is to click on play game here and then click on story mode here as an example. And then you should be taken to this right here. I'm gonna show you. So now in here what you need to do is to just enable your lobby invite code, and this is the code right here that your friends need to use to be able to find your here, and you can actually, or your game here as you can see, and then you will be able to play together with your friend. But if you want to be able to play with random people instead, then we're just gonna go back here and click on join game. And then you're just gonna see which one is actually available. So for example, this one here, if I click on it, I should be able to join their server. Sometimes you're not able to join a random server, by the way, but just try once again. And you can see here I'm playing with a random person here now. I believe that's them here. Yep, it is actually. So actually it's pretty easy to play multiplayer online here on Escape the Backrooms. The hardest thing is that you need to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi basically, and then finding a server that is available. And basically that is exactly how to actually do this.